I decided I would try writing a Yiddish play. And it was called a Fiddler auf den Zinnen, of a group of Yiddish actors who are coming together and reminiscing about their roles that they played in Fiddler on the Roof in Yiddish. And so they were going through their parts and commenting about how they just didn't agree with how this one did their role. And so it was a weekend of their repeating the roles that they had. And so the gentleman from Yale said, I like that. Why don't you do it? I said, well, I've had no experience directing a play, much less a Yiddish play, but I'll try. He said, you have the people who are interested from your other groups? I said, yes, I have at least 6 people. Okay, let's do it. And let's set up a rehearsal. And so we set up a rehearsal, and he didn't come. And he just left the JCC. And they said, well, you've got a play. You've got the cast. Would you like to do it? I said, well, it's chutzpah on my part to direct a play, but I'll try it. And so I did. And that was my first experience directing a Yiddish play.